Weed camo from Ghost. Call of Duty Ghost weed camo. The Snoop Dogg voice part.
Okay, shut up now.
That was hilarious.
Not to be racist or anything, but Asian people.
Shut the fuck up, dude.
Wait. Why is that funny?
I don't know.
Think of that, Nana.
Wunderbar.
Kettle.
Just now.
You sound like the ghost of Christmas past.
Do it again. Go close the door. Why you take my gum? I want a new car. Do it again. I want a new car. Why would you give me a new car? Why would you give me a new car? He's like, but why? Why? Why would you give me a new car? Why would you give me a new car? Oh, Lord. Got tears coming out my eyes. Oh, I think